We are once again looking at the potential for some scattered showers and storms on this Thursday. So, what we're kind of seeing is there's an outflow boundary that's kind of pushing to the southeast across like McDonald, Berry, and Stone counties, and we're starting to see some convection initiation behind that outflow boundary, and that's going to be kind of adding in some extra rainfall this morning across the area. There is a very, very low end severe weather risk. It is actually a 5% damaging wind risk. So, really, severe weather isn't a whole lot of a concern. Yeah, there could be a storm or two that has a little bit more gustier winds with it, but overall, not really looking at a whole lot of a severe weather potential threat today. So, as we put our radar into animate mode here, you can kind of see that outflow boundary that I mentioned earlier as it pushes from the northwest to the southeast, and how we're seeing these storms kind of fire up across it from inside southwest Missouri and northeast Oklahoma. And as that outflow boundary continues to push to the southeast, we'll kind of still continue to see these storms kind of pop up behind it. Now, however, if that outflow boundary continues to weaken like it really has been the last hour or so, the chances of seeing those storms kind of develop is a little bit lower. Not zero, but just a little bit lower than it was with the outflow boundary, as there's not really anything to be able to initiate those storms. So what we're kind of seeing in terms of what to expect in the future is a little dull. The HRRR, or the High Resolution Rapid Refresh Model, hasn't really been doing a whole lot lately in terms of being accurate in our area. As the radar there is literally trying to show kind of what it should be doing right about now, and it's just not really the case. It seems to be about an hour and a half behind what it is, and it really likes to intensify these storms. So we'll see if the intensification's right. The timing I definitely know isn't right. So, but overall, these storms are really supposed to kind of be expected to kind of linger throughout the area this morning and into the early afternoon. There is still some more potential for some scattered storms and showers again in the afternoon, but we're really just going to have to see kind of what the environment's like and kind of what the atmosphere has left in its tank once we get to the afternoon. But that's all I got wrote out for today, folks, so please have a great and fantastic Thursday. Make sure to stay dry, stay safe, and always be weather aware.